This is the Star Learning Series. We're going to do the alphabet letter Z. The sound is Z. Z for zebra. Say the sound and words after me. Z. Zebra. A zebra has black and white stripes. Z. Zoo. I saw all the animals at the zoo. Z. Zip. My jacket has a zip. Z. Zigzag. This is a zigzag pattern. Z. Zero. Another name for zero is naught. Z. Zinnia. The name of this flower is a zinnia. I am a star. Well done. Give yourself a hug.